What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Pick the Kicks with another exclusive kicks review. Here we have the Vans Off the Wall classic slip-on. Let's get into the video. You have your classic Vans logo translucent tissue paper that comes with the box. Here are the shoes. Move this out the way. All right, here's the shoes. You have your, of course, your sticker that comes with the box. That's inside the box or attached to the shoes. Your logo on the outside. Your Vans logo on the outside on both sides. You have your translucent Vans design on the rear. Your classic design on the back heel of the shoes, as you can see here. You have the classic outsoles, just like the original Vans. Of course, you have your original design soles at the bottom. So the slip-ons feature a tumble leather throughout the midsoles, the toe cap, everywhere. You have your Vans logo on the inside the shoes, and then you have a cushion heel support or ankle support, and that's throughout on both sides. All original features, just like the classic, but these are the slip-on. And you have your elastic bands support above the arch of the foot. You can see that on both sides. Very durable. Shoes are super lightweight, super stylish, and super dope-ish. All right, check out the on-foot review and be back. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm out.